Hey Chris, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to actions really help with your conversion. I would maybe have a click to call button that will help with your conversions a little bit more. One thing that I'd recommend for this homepage is adding some more content. And the reason is that Google has crawlers and they're crawling the internet 24/7. And so they're looking through all the website's content and they're looking for keywords embedded throughout the content. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. So here is an example of a keyword, Foundation Repair San Antonio. And when people search this, the first thing that's popping up right now are some ads. But if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you rank here is having a Google business profile that has more citations and then a good amount of reviews and photos. And so you want to make sure that you have more citations in these businesses here so that you are getting some of that 30 to 40% of the business. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of the 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And let me see if you're on this first page. I'm not seeing you on this first page for this keyword. 90% of people stay on the first page, so it is important to be on the first page as high up as possible to get the most of that 60 to 70% of the remaining of the business. But let's take a look at this #1 ranking website. So Baird Foundation Repair, they are ranking for that keyword there. They have some good call to actions. Looks like it'd be really easy to beat them out with content. But let's take a look at the back end of both of these websites. So I have Baird Foundation Repair plugged into Ahrefs, and so I have some ratings pulled up, and these ratings are pulled from Google data. So UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 34 and 17. Which comes from 3.65 thousand backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 344 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another one, kind of like a shout out. And something worth mentioning is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that you have good quality backlinks and not spammy ones. And so Baird Foundation Repair, they have 2.4 thousand keywords on their website. And let's take a look at yours. So I have your website plugged into the same Ahrefs, and your UR and DR are 38 and 28, coming from just over 2,000 backlinks from 465 referring domains, and you all have 191 organic keywords here. And so you guys have a good, powerful site here, but it's not showing up ranking-wise. And so that's definitely something that you'd want to make sure that you are ranking for the keywords that you're wanting to be connected with those customers with. But let's take a look at the Baird organic keywords that they have. All right, some buyer intent keywords. Foundation Repair San Antonio, 2.5 thousand people are searching for that every single month. Driveway Repair San Antonio, 100 people, 350. And so 150. This list just keeps going on and on. 200 with buyer intent keywords. And so what I'd recommend doing is making sure your Google business profile is ranking for all the buyer intent keywords that you want to be ranking for. So adding some citations to that Google business profile. as well as making sure that your website has some more content on it and keywords so that Google knows to connect you whenever people are searching for some terms that you're wanting to be found for. And so if you ever need any help doing any of this, we'd be more than happy to help. But I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.